Going? Hey guys, it's Kylie. I wanted to show you what we've done with our coffee bar today. This was our old coffee bar, this piece of, what is this called? Marble?
Granite.
Okay, this piece of granite was our coffee bar. We deconstructed the coffee bar that we had and we decided to put this right here because there have been a couple of occasions where this has leaked and I just don't want that to ruin this. So I'm kind of using this as like a protective measure for the rest of my coffee bar. So I have gone ahead and I got some more oil bottles for my skinny syrups. This is, I just like to look festive, so I got the candy canes to make things look a little bit cuter. We already had this sign in our house, but I decided to move it over here for now until I get something else that I like. These sections had doors, and so we got these little organizer bins, and I really needed a space for like the overflow of things that we had. So I've got our Low Point snacks here. There's only one basket here that has, this is the only candy that I have in my entire house. We downsized it to just one little basket there. The rest of it though is Low Point options, some Cheez-Its, stuff like that. I wanted it to look organized because organization makes my OCD heart very, very happy. So I do not drink personally. On a very, 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 very rare occasion, I'll have like a single glass of wine. Very rare, very rare. But anyways, so I used the wine rack for my skinny syrups and I thought that'd be the perfect thing. So, Joseph, can you show them this really fast? We also got these little organizer things from Walmart and restocked on all of the teas. We went ahead and got like a lot of like cold weather teas because we thought that would be like perfect for right now. So we got, I don't know, all the good stuff. And we also added some no sugar added hot cocoa mix in there too. We looked for the low calorie ones or the reduced calorie ones. They're not anywhere to be found. So this is what we've got so far. Here, let me see if you can see this. So this is our new little area. I just wanted something a little different than what I had. So this is what we got.